This is Mayur, and today I'm going to show you some cool stuff that I made with the hardware. And this is what I'm going to show you. This is the zero PCB, and with the help of this, and I'm going to make a kind of charger that can charge our mobile phones wherever you go. And the basic goal is to reduce the hardware component that we are using in this project. So basically, what we did is the first component, what I use in this project is the zero PCB, and which will be the base of our charger, which will provide the exact direction of the current and two overall components. So this is the first component, and again, apart from this, what I using is. This is the 7805 IC. If you just focus on this, you will see clearly. This is the 7805 IC, which is going to control the temperature, which is going to control the voltage of this particular device that we are making. So this will act as the voltage regulator for our charger. And apart from that, I'm going to use this female USB port. We are going to focus that, and this is the female USB port which I'm going to use. And one more thing I'm going to tell you is about this USB port. Whenever you are using this kind of stuff, you are on your PCB, you just need to make sure that the pins, the hardware pins that it comes with, the pins are usually with the vertical. This comes in the two direction. If you see this, I'm going to show you the one part of my charger that I already made. So if you're going to just focus this, if you see this, the kind of the female port I use is, it's a kind of horizontal one. But the problem is that when you're going to connect the USB port, it generates and it gets heated first. So I will suggest you to use the kind of female port with the vertical pins, so that it can fit easily to my zero PCB. And apart from that, we are going to use connecting wires, and I will recommend you to use the wire which is of great insulation, and which is having the bigger diameter. If you see, because I will not recommend you to use the wires. I will not recommend you to use the wires that are ribbon, and which is having less diameter as well. So yeah, so this one is the wire that I'm going to use this. And so the everything we will have this, and we will going to make this kind of stuff. So thanks for watching. Right now we are at the moment that we are just completed the assembly part of our charger, and that with the help of this we can charge our mobile phone. So I am using my smartphone right now to charge it, and I will show you what I actually did is I just used the USB female port, and I just placed above the zero PCB, and in front of it, and you can place anywhere in front of it, I just used the 7805 IC, which is used as a voltage regulator, and I place in front of it. And always keep in mind that it is so this part, if you are seeing this the silver color part is the heat sink. So you always need to concentrate about that. It should place opposite of the USB female port, because of the heating issue. And if you charge if you charge for longer time, so it can get heat up easily. So so this is the kind of setup that we make. And if you can see this kind of the wiring I did is, and you can see the connections right now from here, which is from pin 1, pin 2, which is VCC, and the ground, and similarly as for the USB female port as well. So we are going to do the demo of this kind of charger, so we will see if it is working or not. So what I will do is I will connect this USB cable to my mobile phone, and right now I'm doing the charging. I'm doing this voltage to this charger. So if you just focus on this, I can show you the actual working of this kind of software. So yeah, it's I need to change the terminals as well, and make sure your mobile phone is started, and I'm going to charge it. And if you see this, it's actually charging. If you just focus on my smartphone, you will let you know that it is charging. So this is the first application of this charger. So the project idea was from my senior teachers, the kind of charger we made in the microprocessor classroom. So the furthermore we are developing some more applications, from to the motorbike. We can connect it to the motorbike and charge our smartphones as well. So this is what we are implementing, and hopefully you will like it and you will make it so that I can provide you the full details in my video. So this is what we made it, and thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, do comments and tell us our reviews. Thank you so much for watching.